try this trigonometric expression, which involves sine and cosine and the sec, and the next time we may introduce trigonometric deeply and we go in further ways. So now we know that when I'm trying to solve this kind of expression, we know that sec normally is given by 1 over cosine of an angle. So it means here, it means that 1 over cosine of theta is given by 2 root 3 over 3. Then by reciprocal, we can say that cosine of theta is equal to 3 over 2 root 3. Now, after getting this, now we can find this angle theta. But before we want to find this angle theta, we can rationalize this number. When we rationalize this number, we get automatically root 3 over root 3. And this is equal to 3 root 3 over 2 root 3 squared. And this one will be equal to what? This one will be equal to cosine of this angle will be equal to 3 root 3 dividing with 2 times 3. So this 3 and this one can simplify. We remain with 3 root over 2. And we know the angle which provides this number. Now automatically theta will be equal to an angle of 30, which is like pi over 6. There is no problem. Or another angle which can provide this. It is an angle of pi over 6 of the fourth quadrant, which will be 11 pi over 6. Now, what about sine of this angle? Automatically, we know that sine of theta, sine of 30 is half. So, and the sine of this number will not be half, but it is a negative for half. We say that this one is positive or negative a half. Positive or negative a half. So, thank you very much.